I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
I just will never get over how cute this cat is.
Isn't there anyone
Good morning,
who knows
Molly
what Christmas is
cat.
all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering a simple phrase.
Good morning, friends, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. Also, I love how I'm dressed like sort of like I live in a cold place, and I absolutely do not at all. Oh well, what you gonna do? Today's gonna be a pretty busy work day. I have quite a bit going on. It's really only a sort of long to-do list because I have to go somewhere, which is always a bummer. Otherwise, it wouldn't be too bad, but yeah, it's not super ideal when I have to actually go somewhere. But first up here, obviously I have to edit Vlogmas, so I'm about to dive in and get started on that. So you guys, I have these two stockings here, which are so cute, by the way. Like, hi, these are Hearth and Hand from Target. I'm obsessed with them. And I've been playing around with placement for them. I was playing around with putting them up here, and I think, oh, look at little Molly. I think that's where I'm going to end up putting them, but I want to show you guys and see what you think. So like, I definitely like this one here. Like, I think that's really cute. Part of me wants to do like the other one like here or something. I don't really want to put a new hole in the wall for that. I guess I could do a command hook. But I do already have another hook over here, so I could just, you know, have both of them hanging behind the tree there. It sort of looks like that. Like, I don't know, I'm not that into symmetry is my issue, so I don't love that they're both just like, the tree is sort of centered in between them. But honestly, also, I don't think it looks that bad. But I do definitely like the idea of having it here better. So I'm gonna leave it like this for now. What do you guys think about this whole situation? Look at that, so pretty. Molly, you were just tumbling in the background there? Are you a tumbling girl? Yes? Okay, good girl. Hi, little sweet thing. Okay, careful with the camera, Molly cat. So I went downstairs. I did have 3 packages, but one of them was huge. It was a huge Suja box, and I just didn't feel like carrying it. I wanted to be able to get a coffee. We do have 2 other things here, which actually are both sort of exciting. So first up, oh yeah, it smells weird, doesn't it, Molly cat? I ordered this bead kit, which I know looks sort of funny, but for like one of the new holiday decor things that I got, I wanted, like, you know how people have those like beads? I don't know, you just lay them on shelves and stuff. It's just like aesthetically pleasing. But those like go for some money, you guys. And so I was like, I'm just gonna make it myself because I don't need someone's help making it. So I just got this little kit here and I'm gonna make it myself. But I'm excited for that, so we'll have a little DIY at some point. I don't really exactly know when. And then this other package here is some fun new activewear, which I am super excited about. Let's see what we got. So this is from a brand called Astoria Activewear, and they just make really beautiful activewear pieces, so I'm very excited about this. First up, oh, I'm already obsessed with these. You know, guys, let me just preface this by saying I was never really a legging girl. Like, I guess a little bit when I was younger, but like as an adult, I've never really been the person who like wears leggings, but the pandemic has truly changed me, and now I just want to wear leggings every single day. So I've really been stocking up. So anyway, this is the first pair. As you can see, they're really pretty taupey. They're way more brown than they're showing up on camera. Molly, literally your head is inside this bag. That's unnecessary. They are ribbed all the way down, really cute. And then I think that there's a matching top here. It is a long sleeve crop. So cute. I would fully wear this both like as a set and this by themselves, but this is like cute. I feel like I could wear this with jeans. Okay, it looks like this is another top. This one is much more like active weary, I think. Just nice, white, clean, but on the back it has this sort of cool design here, sort of an open back. And then lastly, we have these leggings, which I think are like sort of what you're supposed to pair this top with. But love this color yet again. It's such a pretty like smoky blue. I don't have anything like this. These are so freaking cute. I love them. And there you go. We will have like a big old Suja box to open. Eventually it is here and downstairs. I just have not picked it up. Molly Cat, you got your son? Are you so excited? You love your son? I'm gonna come and sit down here with you while I edit something on my phone, okay? Okay, good girl. All right, you guys, I am heading out right now to go over to Air One and get some content for my client. As you can see, I just got changed into a little Eagles t-shirt, which is sad to represent right now anyway, because we fucking suck, but whatever. But yeah, we are gonna go get that content. I'm gonna try to get some content for you guys too, but we'll see. Really, I'm just going there, getting the content and coming home. It's not a ton to show, and it really depends on how busy the store is. Yeah, we will see, but definitely have to focus on getting the content for my client over the Vlogmas content while I'm there. Actually, also, while I'm just sort of talking about this, I feel like since this is a new channel, maybe not everyone knows that I do freelance social media management. I have my own company, clients that I work on their social media for. So that is what I'm talking about when I say I'm going to shoot for a client. It's because I do that as well as this. So there you go. Okay, as predicted, got like no content while I was in Air One. The aisles at Air One are so small, they're so smushed. I can never like, you know, there's just too many people. I don't know, it's just awkward, and I just had to focus on getting this, like getting the shots with the squares honestly took long enough because of all the people and trying to like figure it out. So anyway, I'm done. I picked up a few because I can get reimbursed from Quantum, so figured might as well have a couple extra on hand. And I just called my Uber, who was on the way. So we are going to head back home and I guess make some lunch, and then we'll continue with some content creation today. I'm cold now that I'm back in my chilly apartment. Gotta put the sweatshirt back on. Yeah. Okay, anyway, let's figure out lunch now. I don't really know what I want. I'm sort of conflicted. So let's see. I'm sort of thinking, I think I'm gonna do the rest of the unexpected broccoli and cheddar soup. This is from Trader Joe's, and it is seriously one of the most delicious things I've ever tasted. I'm obsessed. And then I guess I'll just do like, maybe just some fried tofu on the side. That seems good to me and easy enough, so I think that's what I'll do. Some of this sriracha baked tofu from Trader Joe's. Okay, so just slice these into pretty thin little bits here, which is how I like to do it. Then I add some oil and use a paper towel just to sort of spread it across the pan. And now we just wait, brown it on both sides, and that's literally the whole thing, and it is so good. Okay, lunch is served. We have the unexpected cheddar and broccoli soup. So good, you guys. I know I already said it, but it's just so good. Our fried tofu comes together really easy and quickly, like 2 minutes on each side and it's done. I also toasted up these leftover crescents that I have. I think they might be too stale, to be honest, like, I don't know. But I figured I would try to eat them with the soup before I throw them out. We'll see if they're any good. And then some sriracha ranch for the tofu. Really simple, yummy lunch. All right, sorry for the noise. Dishwasher is running. It's the noisiest dishwasher in the world. Just about to start content creation. This is what I use, if you guys didn't know. It's just a big old light box. There are lights that attach on the inside of it, but I'm having trouble finding the connector cords for it. I know exactly, well, I thought I knew exactly where they were, but I don't know, they seem to be missing. So not totally sure, but we're just gonna try it without them and see how it goes before I, waste any more time looking, because I spent, 20 minutes and have not been able to find it, so we'll see how this goes. Well, you guys, we did it. We finished the content creation for the day. As you can see, I put on my Buddy the Elf sweater. I just want something with red sleeves, and this felt festive, so we just went with it. But I am going to do something now that I have not done in years, and I've been meaning to do it for years, and it's finally going to happen. If you guys don't know, I have had this light sign saying Happy Valentine's Day, although now it says Happy Holidays, for years, since Valentine's Day of 2019. 2019, oh my god, I'm making a mess. 2019, you guys, I've had to say happy Valentine's Day. I wish I could say it was a funny 2020 thing where like we just never got out of February, but no, it's been there since 2019. So that being said, I just took it out because I was using it for some of the content creation and we are finally going to switch it out. All right, we're on the bedroom floor. I know I already did a haul today, but I got a big package with my Black Friday picks in it and all the stuff I got. So I wanted to haul this. I'm gonna try to like edit that haul down so it's really short, and I'll try to keep this one quick as well. I literally only shopped at Forever 21 on Black Friday. It's just the way that it worked out. I really never shop at Forever 21, but they had some cute stuff on sale. So I went ahead and picked up some things. Let me show you. First up, I got a puffer jacket, which makes perfect sense because I live in Los Angeles. But I really liked it. It's this cool denim and whatever. I'll find a time to use it eventually, right? By the way, I'll try to remember to link all of this down below. Ooh, I'm so excited about these. I got a new pair of slippers. Ooh, just little simple black ones, and I obviously always wear those pink ones, which I also love, but one, I've had them for a while, so they're a little worn out, and also didn't even order them in that pink color. I ordered them in tan and they accidentally shipped me pink, so, which is fine. I've obviously been using them, but I thought it would be fun to get another pair in the rotation. Oh yeah, okay, so I went for some basics as well. So I just got white biker shorts. I've been wanting white biker shorts for a while and just have never gotten them. I don't know why, but there you go. There's a lot of loungewear in here because that's the only thing I'm wearing right now anyway. Next up, I got these super cute sweats. They're tie-dye. I just love this tie-dye combo here. Very comfy, soft on the inside. These look great. Next up, I got this little set. I wasn't sure how this would look, but it looks pretty cute. So it has these little biker shorts and then this oversized tee that just says chill out on it that matches. Just thought this would be nice for hanging around the house and, you know, chilling out. All right, we got another pair of biker shorts here, this time in a nice simple tan color. We got a nice graphic tee, looks like this, says Mustang on it. Thought this would be sort of fun with the biker shorts or just to be comfy in. Oh yeah, I got this little tank. Oh, I didn't realize that it had these like weird things on the side. I don't love that. I might return it. I don't know. I just thought that this would be good for hanging around the house, like to throw this on with a pair of sweats or whatever. So I don't know, maybe I'll keep it, but I don't love those little cutouts. Oh yeah, I got this for Connor. It's not like a Christmas gift or anything. I just thought it looked cute, so I bought it for him. Just a little black collared short sleeve shirt. I think he'll like that. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff in here. Next up, I got these black sweats, pretty basic, but they do have like a little slit in the knee on the one pant, so there you go. Makes them slightly cuter, I guess. Got this plain tank. This is not really what I thought it would be, to be honest, so I don't know. I'll have to try it on. Again, just something that I wanted to hang out in the house around, but I wanted it to be a little bit thicker. This is really thin, so might return that as well. Last pair of biker shorts that I got are just another pair of black, but these are ribbed, so I thought a little different, and also I could always use another pair. Okay, last thing in here. Look at that. I feel like I went through this haul pretty quickly. I just got this zip up hoodie and it's obviously sort of like teddy. I just thought this would be comfy to wear around the house. Thought like this with the white biker shorts maybe would be cute. Overall, very into all of these things that I got. Love it. And there is my speedy little haul. All right, guys, I'm finishing up my very last task for the day. It is 6:01 p.m. This day actually ended up being way longer than anticipated. And I probably have another half hour of work ahead of me, which sort of sucks, but so it goes, right? But I'm basically just gonna, so really quickly, I just want to tidy up a bit, like whatever. My place honestly looks pretty okay, but just a little bit, and then I want to finish this. All right, guys, it is the end of the night here. I know I didn't end up vlogging much the rest of the night, but this vlog already had gotten pretty long, so I figured I would give myself the evening off. So hope you guys don't mind. Just trying to pace myself here before a long Vlogmas ahead. But it is about 11:30 now and I am ready to go to sleep. So thank you for watching today and I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?